Hi guys, this will be a short first look video on a pair of Quad 405 monoblocks that I got during the sales at the end of 2024 when I was stockpiling equipment for 2025. So these are cheap. They were, as far as I remember, about $250 for a pair. That included shipping. I'll link to the offer in the description, so you'll be able to check the regular price. And the first look is about first look, so let's take a look. External. We have a nice view meter. Doesn't have any functionality except for looking nice. And it does look nice. I actually liked them, and that was one of the reasons I got this pair, because they had some good opinions on AliExpress and they were looking nicely. Nothing on the sides. On the top lid, set of vent holes, and in the back of the device power socket with integrated fuse compartment here and power switch. And as you can see, it's 250 volts version, one set of speaker binding posts and one RCA input. That's it. On the bottom of the device we have only a set of rubber feet, not even any kind of ventilation holes here. So let's take a look inside. It's very easy when you have two of them, because you can disassemble the second one. Okay, so what can we see interesting inside? Let's start with the back, because I actually removed the back plate because I knew there will be questions about the power for the transformer. As you can see, it's produced by ZeroZone, ZeroZone, and it's rated for 100 watts here, but I don't really believe that rating because it's quite small. As you can see, it's rather small. So what do we have inside of this build? Sorry, let's rotate it like that. Okay, so basically this set of boards can be bought as a do-it-yourself kit. You can buy them pre-made for you, or you can buy them with bags with elements, so you can solder them on your own. They are very cheap, they are very easily accessible, and the boards are marked with, let's zoom a little. Yeah, you should be able to see that now. Quad 405 upgraded version, 2019, and it says LJM, and you have mail contact to Mr. LJM. Okay. Since we're already here, the transistors are ON and these are M. Okay, yes, you'll be able to see that right now. The marking on the transistor here. So I won't be reading this aloud. Okay, let's have it back like that. The capacitor bank, these are JCCon capacitors. Each one of them is rated for 4,700 microfarads. So we have here more than 16,000 microfarads, here a lot more than 16,000 microfarads. The power supply board is a separate one. We have Omron relay, we have rectifier, and we have power bank. So capacitor bank here. And we have LED that will be signaling the state of the power supply. The actual amplifier board is separate, and as you can see, it's connected to the power board with these three cables. The input from RCA socket is routed here in the corner and then underneath the power board to this place, to the input where it's soldered to the board. And that's it. That's a very simple, very easy build. The red capacitor here, by the way, it looks very nice. It's Elna. This one I think is Rubicon. No, sorry, Aishi. Aishi, yes, it's not Rubicon, it's Aishi. I have no idea what kind of brand is that. And the one and only, it's not operational amplifier. Let's use zoom for that. It's LM301AN. And that's it. We also have two, I think these are Chinese relays. So this set of mono power amplifiers had already been through the burn-in process, and I just need to find some time right now to do a proper listening sessions. The original Quad 405 was supposed to be leaning on the warm side, and some people loved it for being warm and some people hated it for being too warm. These ones, from what I've read on the web, are supposed to be rather neutral, maybe with hintness of warm, according to the stuff that other guys who bought them wrote about them. Yep, that's it. Any useful links will be posted in the description of the video. And if you have any questions, if I forgot about anything, if you wanted to ask something more, if you've noticed something interesting here that I've missed in my first look video, give me a shout in the comments. I'll update the description of the video with interesting stuff that will be coming up from our discussions in the comments. Thank you guys, and stay tuned for full video review of this set of Quad 405 monoblocks. I really like the view meter. These view meters are glowing orange and it matches nicely with the black slate here and this polished ring around view meter. So, see you next time, hopefully soon, with the full review. Bye guys.